How to find square root of 3025 by long division method? We need to make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is our first pair, this is our second pair. For second pair, look, we have to take here a number whose square will be equal to 30 or nearest to 30. Look, if you take here 5, then 5 squared equal to what? 25. But if you take here 6 squared equal to 36, which is greater than 30. So 5 is correct. So same digit will come to the quotient also. 5 times 5, 25. Subtract, you are getting 5. Bring down this pair. Okay. Since you have placed the digit 5, this 5 must come under the divisor. And you need to add 5 plus 5, 10. Now we need to work for this dividend. You have to take here a number and you have to take here a digit, and same digit will come to the quotient also, and you need to multiply. Okay, and this product will be equal to 525 or nearest to this. Look, if you place here 5, then what will happen? Let's check. 5, that is 5 times this 105. Okay, 5 times 5, 25. Write 5 here, carry 2 to the next column. 5 times 0, 5 times 0, 0, 0 plus 2, 2. Then 5 times 1, 5, 525, which is equal. So if you place here 5, okay, then 5 times 105, that gives us 525. Subtract 0. Since we have placed the digit 5, so 5 will come also here, and add 5 plus 5, 10. Write 0, carry 1 to the next column. 0 plus 1, 1, and 1. The double of 55 is 110. So we can say that our answer 55 is correct. Okay, look here, remainder is 0. So the square root of 3025 by long division method is 55.